Welcome to Learn and Talk. Let's learn Arabic and English in a fun and easy way. Learn, speak, and enjoy every day.
I wash the dishes. I wash the dishes. I open the fridge. I open the fridge. I carry the plates. I carry the plates. I pour the water. I pour the water. I cook the rice. I cook the rice. I put away the spoon. I put away the spoon. I chop the onions. I chop the onions. I slice the tomatoes. I slice the tomatoes. I wash the rice. I wash the rice. I stir the soup. I stir the soup.
I mix the ingredients. I mix the ingredients.
I heat the pan. I heat the pan. I add salt. I add salt. I add oil. I add oil. I cover the pot. I cover the pot. I turn on the stove. I turn on the stove. I turn off the stove. I turn off the stove. I taste the food. I taste the food. I serve the rice. I serve the rice.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to Learn and Talk for more fun learning videos.